Punta na ng Dubai si Ashley. At hawak niya na ang kanyang visa. Go, 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 daddy. Punta na kami ngayon ng Dubai and we're going to...
Wala pa, may pa.
Ayan, so, kulba namin guys, ay mga gibit ng immigration. Update nyo niya after immigration. So, ito naman ang dinner namin guys. So, time check is 8 o'clock na siguro ng gabi. Ayan, malapit na kaming dumating guys sa Dubai. So, ito, chicken, papa, with egg. Thank you so much, Philippine Airlines. Guys, ayan, good morning. So, this is our day 1 in Dubai. Ayan, so ngayon pupunta kami sa Miracle Garden, Burj Al Arab, Museum of the Future, at the top of the Burj Khalifa, ayun, yung famous na 360 views, Dubai Mall, and Dubai Fountain Show. So, that is our day 2 itinerary. Ayan. So, today is October 27, but it's 3 o'clock in the morning. Ayan. So, pero ang ang body clock ko is 7 o'clock doon sa Pilipinas. So, kaya gising na kami ngayon dito. Ayan. And then, so, ngayon, aalis kami by 9 o'clock, Dubai time. So, 8:30, dapat nasa lobby na kami dahil marami kaming kasama sa tour. So, dapat hindi tayo malate kasi bawat pupuntahan natin ay may oras na dapat sundin. Ayan. So, yun ang mga lakad namin today. So, update ako mamaya. Magre-ready pa ako ngayon. See ya! Kagabi, dumating kami guys. Hindi na ako nakapag-update dahil grabe, pagod na talaga. Kasi yung time namin dito dumating is 6:05. 6:05 in the evening. Pero sa Pilipinas, that is already 10:30. Tapos sabi nila magdi-dinner pa daw kami pagka 8 p.m. dito. Sa Pinas yun, 12 in the midnight na. So parang pagod na masyado sa biyahe. Tapos yung time difference, so grabe talaga ang adjustment. Ngayon nakatulog kami 3 o'clock na dito, so it's 7 o'clock in the Philippines, kaya naman medyo lutang pa talaga kami dahil madilim pa sa labas. Ayan, wala pang sunrise. So I'm preparing for our day dahil ang una naming pupuntahan ay ang Miracle Garden Dubai. So, ano pala yun? Yun ang biggest flower garden ng Dubai, which has 72,000 square meter and 45 million blooming flowers. Ayan. So, kita-kits later. Bye! So, what do you have for breakfast, ate?
Egg and
Hot dog.
Sa atong babaeng nag-call na sila. Ano? 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 Ano?
Hello guys! Nandito kami ngayon sa Copthorne Hotel. Ayan. So, parang gutom na talaga guys. So, as you can see pa lang kami ang mga first batch dito. Ayan. So, walang rice. Huhu. So, nag-order kami ng itlog. At saka patatas na. Sarap ganin. Nakaubos ko isa. Yeah. So, this is masala tea. Ayan. Bon appetit. Masyadong napaaga ang aming preparation. Ayan, good morning, sunrise of Dubai. Ayan, labas na si Haring Araw. So we are waiting for our group. Ayan. Going in, going out.
I can get your age. I can get your age like 65.
Guys, so ito yung makikita mo pag enter mo ng Dubai Miracle Garden. Ayan. So yung isa muro, yung isa ngisi. Ayan guys, alam nyo ba yung yung happy people versus grumpy people. Ayan, so grabe, ang ganda talaga ng flower garden dito. Parang tinalo yung tinalo yung Singapore. No. Tinalo yung Singapore. Ang ganda. In 5 minutes. Look, Ashley. Look, they make their name through the sand. Nice, right? Grabe, andito kami ngayon sa Miracle Garden, Dubai. At tingnan nyo naman, may sumasayaw na ladies. Ayan. So, lahat yan ay totoong bulaklak. Very, very nice. A must visit in Dubai. Wow. You see, this is only the garden that is growing even in the middle of the desert. Desert. Welcome to Desert Dubai.
Dessert.
Huh?
You said that the flowers are still growing even though it's a dessert.
Welcome to Desert Dubai. So what should I say? What should I say?
You said the flowers are growing in the desert.
Desert pala. Okay.
Ano, dessert?
Dessert is different from desert daw.